Welcome to this guide on business tax deductions. Understanding what expenses you can legally write off is one of the most important skills for any business owner. These deductions directly reduce your taxable income, which means you pay less in taxes and keep more money in your business. Throughout this video, you'll learn about the most common legitimate business expenses that can help lower your tax bill. Let's start with the basics. A tax deduction is any business expense that reduces your taxable income. Here's how it works. If your business earns $100,000 and you have $20,000 in deductible expenses, you only pay taxes on $80,000. The key requirement is that expenses must be both ordinary and necessary for your business. Ordinary means it's common in your industry, and necessary means it's helpful and appropriate for your business operations. If you work from home, the home office deduction can save you significant money. However, there are strict rules. The space must be used exclusively and regularly for business purposes. You cannot use the same room as a guest bedroom or family space. You can deduct a portion of your rent, mortgage interest, utilities, and insurance. There are two methods to calculate this. The simplified method allows you to deduct $5 per square foot up to 300 square feet, while the regular method requires calculating the actual percentage of your home used for business. Transportation costs for business purposes are fully deductible. For vehicle expenses, you can choose between two methods. The standard mileage rate lets you deduct a set amount for every business mile you drive. Alternatively, the actual expense method allows you to deduct real costs like gas, repairs, insurance, and depreciation. For business travel, you can deduct airfare, hotel stays, and 50% of meal costs when traveling for business. The most important thing is keeping detailed mileage logs and receipts to prove these expenses. Everything you need to run your business operations is deductible. Office supplies like pens, paper, printer ink, and postage can be deducted immediately in the year you purchase them. For equipment under $2,500, such as computers, phones, and furniture, you can typically deduct the full cost right away. More expensive equipment may need to be depreciated over several years, although Section 179 allows you to deduct larger purchases immediately up to certain limits. Software subscriptions and business apps are also fully deductible. Any money spent to promote your business and attract customers is deductible. This includes online advertising through platforms like Google, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Your website costs are deductible too, including hosting fees, domain name registration, and web design services. Traditional marketing materials like business cards, brochures, and promotional items all qualify. Even social media management tools and services that help you market your business can be written off. When you hire professionals to help with your business, those fees are deductible. Legal fees for contracts, business formation, and legal advice are all legitimate deductions. Accounting and bookkeeping services, including tax preparation fees, can be written off. If you hire consultants, business coaches, or industry experts to improve your business, those costs qualify. Additionally, payments to freelancers and contractors for business tasks are fully deductible as long as they're properly documented. Protecting your business and taking care of yourself and your employees creates valuable deductions. Business insurance premiums, including liability insurance, property insurance, and professional liability coverage, are all deductible. If you're self-employed, you can deduct health insurance premiums for yourself and your family. For businesses with employees, health plans and retirement plan contributions are deductible. Workers' compensation insurance premiums also qualify as a business expense. There are many additional expenses that business owners often overlook. Education expenses for courses, workshops, and training programs that improve your business skills are deductible. Business meals are 50% deductible when you're discussing business with clients, partners, or employees. Interest paid on business loans and business credit cards can be written off. Even bank fees like transaction fees and monthly account charges for your business accounts are legitimate deductions. Let's review the most important points. First, Track all your business expenses throughout the entire year, not just at tax time. Second, keep detailed records and receipts for every deduction you plan to claim. Remember that all expenses must be ordinary and necessary for your specific business. Finally, tax laws can be complex and change frequently, so it's always wise to consult with a qualified tax professional who can provide personalized guidance for your situation. Taking advantage of legitimate deductions is not about avoiding taxes. It's about paying only what you legally owe.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.